I'm going to do it free of charge.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Hello. Right. Okay. On this one, I'm doing a quick install. They've just moved in. They've got a lot of expense going on, and they just want to get a TV picture sorted just in the meantime before their internet gets connected in about 3 weeks. So I'm just going to knock something up for them, and hopefully they'll be happy with the end result. So let's have a look. This'll do. I've got enough signal there to work with. So let's get the bracket on. So a new aerial, a fascia bracket. That Sky cable will come out, and I'll run a new cable down the wall and come through the same hole.
Okay, fab.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do it free of charge.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can I get you a case of beer or something?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, honestly, it's fine. Yeah, and it won't work. But it's free of charge, but it won't work.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I'll knock that out for you. All right.
Fab.
So I'll get a new white cable down here and down the wall and into the room. Right then, job done. On to the next one. Freebie Friday.